never see this again in your life. Where are the other elephants, for God's sake?
Where are the other elephants? How did this one get lost like this? Go in the water. Yeah, that's right. Go in the water. They hate the water, the lions. Come on, go in the water.
He's tired.
Go in the water. Go in the water. Go in the water. That's right. You got the right idea.
Look at that.
Look at them on top of her. Oh, come on, come on, come on. You can do it just a little further. Yeah, that's it. Fight back. Sing her off. They're not stopping. Another line over there. Oh, look, you got it.
Oh, yeah.
Look, look, look.
No, don't come out.
Don't come
No,
out.
no, 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 no.
No, that was a bad move. Come on, come on. That one is not giving up. They're going to follow across. Look at that. I can't freaking believe this.
Yes, because they know he's struggling to stand up. They're not going to give. They're not going to give it up.
Oh my God.
Where are the other elephants? For God's sake.
He's got some stamina. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, cool.
Why does he keep coming back?
I don't know. He's not smart.